get this thing apart and into the next leg of the journey. What I'm dealing with right now is the differences between the coupe and the convertible. You can see there's an inner rocker in there, and I'm gonna have to fix that because they're not available. The wheel houses have a support that runs along them, and the wheel houses themselves are different from about here up. So yeah, the car's just floating in space on a few body mounts that actually hit the floor. More to come. If you're interested in the project, post a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer things. And I'll remind everybody watching, this is just every car is different, and every restoration is different. There's no real right or wrong way. It's just the right or wrong result. Thanks for watching.